Most of us have cellulite, but most of us are also unhappy with it and wish we could figure out how to get rid of it without overhauling our lives or spending an absolute fortune. So how do you reduce cellulite naturally? Or how can you go about keeping it at bay? It's not impossible, and thankfully it's not even about expensive lotions and potions. There are a few simple ways you can reduce it and improve the appearance of your skin long term. We'll be covering the best tips and tricks in this video. 1. Use a body brush. Although introducing body brushing into your everyday routine might seem like a lot of effort, the benefits really do speak for themselves. Once you get used to finding an extra 5 minutes to use your body brush, it will become part and parcel of your day without a second thought. Make sure you scrub before you get into the shower, always in circular motions, starting at the ankles and working up towards your heart. The action is thought to improve blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. So trying this for a few weeks will not only banish dry skin, but you'll notice a real impact on those dimples too. Follow up with a body oil to nourish your skin, and you'll be feeling like you've had a proper pamper at the same time. 2. Practice cardio exercises. When it comes to the best exercises for getting rid of cellulite, cardio is key. That's because the harder you work and the higher you get your heart rate, the more fat you'll burn. Interval training is a great way to do this. Short bursts of high-intensity exercise are said to be much more effective than low-intensity exercise for a longer period of time. This is because during the high-intensity phase, your body burns mainly carbs for energy, but during the recovery, your body burns mainly fat to produce the energy needed to help your body recover from the intense effort. Take it easy to begin with and work your way up. Running is the most obvious choice for interval exercise, but swimming and cycling are also great exercises to try if you want to combat cellulite. 3. Drink more water. To keep cellulite at bay, you need to be drinking your recommended daily allowance of water. The cellulite under your skin stores toxins, which can accumulate if you have an unhealthy lifestyle, regardless of your shape or size. Water keeps the skin hydrated and flushes out those toxins, and is key if you want to keep your skin looking fresh and youthful too. However, be mindful not to drink too much water, as this could lead to swelling underneath the cellulite. 1.5 liters a day is plenty. If you find plain water boring, try flavoring it naturally with slices of citrus fruit or berries. 4. Eat foods that provide lecithin. If you eat a lot of refined, processed, or fatty foods, these could all contribute to poor circulation and won't encourage the body's natural digestive process to flush out toxins, therefore triggering the onset of cellulite. A diet high in antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E plus selenium, manganese, zinc, and copper can help to prevent the cell damage that leads to the dreaded dimples. By eating foods rich in lecithin, like eggs, apples, soy, spinach, cauliflower, peanuts, and iceberg lettuce, you'll restore the strength of dermal cells, helping to prevent cellulite from forming. 5. Up your protein intake. Protein stimulates and strengthens the production of collagen and elastin, which keeps cellulite at bay. It also helps to firm up muscles that keep fat stores in place and reduces the dimpled effect of cellulite. All in all, protein is a winner when it comes to combating orange peel skin. Add more lean meats, turkey, nuts, skimmed milk, and pulses to your diet to get the best chance of improvement. 6. Try cellulite cream. There are many cellulite creams to choose from out there, and it can feel a bit overwhelming at times. It's wise to do your research and opt for a cream with plenty of positive reviews online. It's also worth noting that creams will only really help the appearance of cellulite slightly as part of a diet and exercise regime. They can help superficially in the looks department, but they're not miracle workers, and even the most expensive creams can't melt the fat away. 7. Take the stairs. One trick to getting rid of pesky lumps and bumps is working on your lower body muscles from every angle, which lessens the underlying fat stores and replaces lost muscle tissue to give the area a toned appearance. Climbing stairs is a great way to do this. 8. Eat plenty of oily fish. Omega-3 fatty acids, which you can find in oily fish, such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines, as well as vegetable oils, seeds, and nuts, are known to lower cholesterol. This has a knock-on effect because by lowering your cholesterol, you'll be boosting your circulation, which has an anti-inflammatory effect. The fats in oily fish help reduce swelling that could make skin cell damage worse. Try to eat oily fish once a week to beat those pesky cellulite problems. 9. Avoid full-fat dairy and fast foods. Full-fat dairy products like cream, butter, and cheese are high in saturated fats and are harder for your body to break down. They're fine as a once-in-a-while treat, but avoid consuming them too regularly if you can. 10. Get your 5 a day. Cellulite is caused by a buildup of toxins, so fruit and veg high in antioxidants are the best way to beat lumpy skin from the inside out. Some fruit and veg is better than others, and brightly colored ones are the best. Try celery, oranges, grapefruit, peaches, and plums, which are low in natural sugar and high in fiber. Foods high in vitamin C are also great cellulite busters because they boost levels of collagen in the skin, promoting elasticity and keeping things firm and taut. Getting rid of your cellulite isn't an overnight process. If you're feeling down about your puckered skin, remember that cellulite is ridiculously common and natural. Around 93% of women are thought to have it. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with having it, loving it, or wanting to get rid of it. Be patient with these methods and you should see a gradual improvement as time goes by. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use Vicks Vapor Rub to burn belly fat. Thanks for watching and bye for now.